Okay. Speaking to the inclusion and exclusion criteria, another set of key factors is often about the age and the ability of the child. In other words, how much function they have retained at the point in time when they're enrolled in the trial. And this sets up a really difficult quandary because children who are most affected, generally the parents have the greatest desire. They've reached a point of really having the greatest desire to have something different done. And yet often those children are not appropriate for the gene therapy trial because the only way that we can determine an actual efficacy is to see some preservation or restoration of function or ability. So sometimes, for instance, you could think about there might be a muscular dystrophy trial that is only set up for children who can, for boys who can still walk, and so that because the test might be how far they can walk, and it's really a hard message for a patient who's progressed beyond that point that they don't qualify for that trial because they could, from the parent's point of view, because they need it too much. Sometimes it is actually, though, true also that some of the injury from the disease has actually progressed too far that it would really, even if we could measure it, have much of an effect. That's also a very hard message, right? Because it means that even with this technology, there's not really that potential benefit that we have all hoped for. So, you know, that's, if you're the parent of a family, I mean, if you're the parent of a child who has progressed to that stage, the clinical trial might not be the right thing for you.